Interactive Business Training offers a wonderful workshop in Microsoft Word 365. Let's take a look at our Microsoft Word 365 What Can Word Do For You workshop. In this workshop, we will cover 10 lessons: getting started with Word 365, editing a document, formatting text and paragraphs, controlling text flow, adding tables and charts, managing lists, adding graphics and media, controlling page appearance, finishing touches, and how to use templates. Getting started. This lesson teaches you components of Word interface, how to create, save, and share a document, use document views, and how to use the help features. Editing a document. You will learn to navigate and select text, modify text, and find and replace text. Formatting text and paragraphs. You will learn to apply character formatting, align text using tab stops, control paragraph layout, apply borders and shading, apply styles and themes, and manage formatting. Controlling text flow. You will learn to control paragraph flow, insert section breaks, insert columns, create and format text boxes, link text boxes to control text flow. Adding tables and charts. You'll learn to insert a table, modify a table, perform calculations in a table, convert text to a table, insert a chart, and modify a chart. Managing lists. You'll learn to display text as lists, sort a list, renumber a list, and how to customize a list. Adding graphics and media. You'll learn to insert symbols and special characters, add images like local images, online images, and screenshots, insert graphics such as shapes, word art, smart art, 3D models, and icons, and also to insert videos. Controlling page appearance. You'll learn to apply page borders and color, add watermarks, add headers and footers, and to control the page layout. Using templates. You'll learn to attach a template to a document, managing templates, Word templates, creating a document from a template, and creating and modifying a template. Adding the finishing touches. You'll learn to check spelling and grammar, use other proofing tools, accessibility checker, autocorrect dialog box, and how to print a document. Many businesses use Word every day, and this workshop can get you started on learning this valuable tool.